Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your tablet model and Android version so you know if Play can be installed. Sign into a Samsung account and connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure battery is above 30% and at least 2 GB free storage. If your tablet lacks Play services, prepare to allow installation from unknown sources temporarily. This lets you sideload essential APKs. Once done, download the correct Google Play services and Play Store APKs for your Android build. Match versions precisely to avoid conflicts. Now you install the core APKs in sequence to restore Play functionality. Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, then the Play Store. Use a reliable file manager and confirm each APK matches your CPU architecture and Android SDK level. Mismatched builds cause crashes. Grant required permissions, storage, accounts, and phone when prompted because Play needs them to sync and update. If an install fails, reboot and retry that single APK. Sometimes the system needs a clean restart to register new services correctly. Finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. This registers device services and completes setup. Allow any updates to Google Play services. They often resolve stability issues. If you encounter errors like install loops or constant waiting, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play services, then reboot. If problems persist, uninstall the sideloaded APKs and, as a last resort, perform a factory reset and reinstall in the same order. This removes lingering conflicts while preserving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.